I recently found a new way to make money online with AI and digital products.
If your 9 to 5 sucks the life out of you faster than your phone battery at 1%, listen carefully.
In fact, I personally make around $10,000 a month with this. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you exactly how this works. Because I've been making money online for 14 years. And if I were just starting out, this would be one of the easiest ways for me to break free. Now, of course, just because this works for me doesn't mean it will work for you too. Every business is risky and no results are guaranteed in any business.
There's a guy making $10,000 a month without editing a single video. He literally lets AI do all the work. No fancy gear, no editors, no I'll learn this on the weekend stress. He just uploads simple clips, presses a few buttons, and boom, AI spits out viral videos. And the best part, you can copy the same process even if your brain is in airplane mode after work.
I'm just sharing what works for me and members of my community. Anyways, over the last 30 days, I've uploaded 50 different videos to my Instagram account.
We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success, but we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
And these two got in total over 2.7 million views. And I've been using traffic from those videos to send them to my Go High Level digital product, which now makes 10,000.
But step B is where things get crazy because he's not even using his own videos.
$1,000 per month. But I was not using the traditional route of creating short form content where I have to hire an actual editor to do it for $80 to $100 per video. And I wasn't spending hours editing shorts myself. I'm too busy with other stuff. Instead, I've used this new AI tool that I want to share with you in this video. And I'm not the only one who does this.
In step B, we literally borrowed viral moments from other people's podcasts. No filming, no talking, no retake number 26. And it works, even if you come home from your 9 to 5 feeling like a tired baked potato. I finds all the juicy moments for you automatically.
So a lot of other people are doing it and getting hundreds of thousands of views on short form content without having to create anything themselves, like millions of views over here. And this one as well, millions and millions of views.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9 to 5ers and business owners like yourself earn high ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Again, for me, even with just 2 million views, I make quite decent amount of money from this content. Now, the tool I'm using is called Submagic. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below so you can try it out for completely free. When you land on Submagic, just go over to try for free and just either sign up with Google or just enter your email, create a password, and sign up.
But step C is where those clips stop looking rough and start looking professional without you touching a single editing tool.
If you want to create the same style of reels that I'm creating on my Instagram page, you can then select generate captions over here and you can just upload your video and then it adds B-roll and captions for you. Or you can use magic clips where you just have to upload long form videos or just paste a link to a YouTube video and then it creates shorts for you.
Step C removed all the awkward pauses, moments we pretend never happened. AI even added B-roll to hide your mistakes, like a loyal friend who never snitches. But the clip still needs some actual flavor, because right now it's giving school project, not viral banger.
Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using generate captions option, and I'm going to use this raw video that I've recorded. I'm just going to go back, click generate captions, and I'm just going to upload or drag and drop that video file. Then I can select the language. I can select if there are multiple speakers. In this case, it's only me. And if I want to translate the captions, I can also tick that box. Now, for now, because I speak English and it's only me, I'm just going to click generate, and then it's going to start uploading. After about a minute, Submagic has done pretty much all the work for me. Now I just need to change aspect ratio to be 9.
So step D adds the fun stuff, captions, zooms, and colors, everything that makes your video look expensive.
By 16 over here. Next, I'm going to click on the trim button over here because I want to first of all remove all silences, and I actually want to make it fast. Once it cuts all the silences for me, I also want to remove bad takes because I made a mistake in the intro when recording this. And now if I start playing the video, we can listen to it.
People are risking their lives for views, and I don't blame them enough.
Step D gave your clip the full glow up, captions, zooms, colors, everything. But one cute video won't make your wallet smile. You need lots of content, especially when your 9 to 5 leaves your brain running on 3% battery. And no, that does not mean recording 87 clips yourself.
Now, as you can see, around the 3rd second mark, I started looking at my screen. So we obviously want to replace this part with some B-roll. So I'm going to click on B-roll right over here. It's going to analyze video and split scenes with AI for me. Now, this word end is where I started looking at the screen. So now I can either search for B-roll, I can search for GIFs, or I can search for images. I'm going to search for B-roll. I can either select free videos or premium videos over here. For example, I can type in YouTube views because that's what I talk about in that part. I'm gonna do this.
Because step E lets AI slice full podcasts into dozens of viral clips while you chill.
Clip over here. Now I can change the starting frame to be, let's say, around the 9 seconds mark where it shows a little bit more views, and I will click select this frame.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9 to 5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
You can again click on edit B-roll, and you can also add in the zoom effect. For example, I can do linear zoom, and whenever I see that something needs to be split first, I just need to split the scene and then add B-roll over that.
You paste a podcast link, I slices it into a bunch of viral clips. You post them while half asleep after your shift, and suddenly you're getting views, clicks, and maybe even your first commissions.
Now, once I'm done adding B-roll and cutting out all these mistakes, the next step is to click on captions and then select which captions I want to add. Now, I really like the Hormozy 2 style, so it's going to add that for me. Now, see, you can also change the position of your captions. Of course, you can put it above and beyond. And I'm going to increase the font size from 26 to about 34 or 35. Now, above this video, I can also do some color grading and can add some covers, different audios, and even brand it. I can also edit my captions the left-hand side if that's needed. And
so honestly, start today. Future you is going to high-five you for not waiting another year. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.